Hey everyone, this is Nabila, and today I'm going to show you a special feature that we have in Cart Lift, and that is exit intent pop-ups. Now, exit intent pop-ups are supposed to stop your abandoned carts. Now, if one of your users have added something in their cart and they want to check out and they're leaving the page, then that pop-up will appear and they'll remind them that if they leave the page, they won't be able to complete the checkout. Now, you can easily create that with Cart Lift, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you just that. So let's get started. To enable the exit intent pop-up, you need to have Cart Lift Free and Pro installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. I've already done that, and now I'm going to go to the Cart Lift dashboard from here. Now I can go to the settings tab from here, but I'm just going to go to the dashboard and then go to the settings tab from the menu I have here. Now you will find the settings tab on the left side module as well. So let's go there. Now you can see there are 4 tabs here. So the first one is general, the second one is pop-up editor, the third one is SMS, and then we have the reCAPTCHA version 3. So now I'm going to go to the pop-up editor here. So here you'll see some of the options. Now the first option is enabling Cart Lift pop-up. So if you hover over the tooltip here, this says this will initiate a pop-up and prompt guest users to provide email addresses when they add product to cart. So this pop-up will appear when you're adding the product to the cart. Then we have the exit intent pop-up. Now enable Cart Lift pop-up exit. So when you enable this will initiate the pop-up when users are trying to leave the checkout page. Then we have the no thanks button. Now it's disabled here. When I enable this will appear on the preview of the form here. So then we have the logo. You can change the logo according to your brand. Then you can add the title. Now you can add pop-up title from here. So you can see it says here that you are not leaving your cart just like that, right? And that's exactly how it's showing on the pop-up here. Then we have the title typography. You can change the typography styles from here. Let me show you real quick. So if the font is, let's say 30, you'll see that the typography font has increased. If you keep it 20, this is a moderate size. If you keep it 25, it's a moderate size as well. Then you can change the font style to italic or oblique. I'm going to keep it normal. Then you can change the text transformation, you can change the text decorations, and you can change the font weight. You can also change the text color according to your style. So let's say I want to keep it a purple color, and you can see that it has updated. Then we have the pop-up description. Now this description can be edited as well, and you can also change the font styles, font size according to your necessity. You can change the font color, let's say to red color or maybe a pinkish color. Then you can change this button text. Let's say it's a submit. You can change it to submit now. Then you can change the button style. So you can change the typography. Then you can change the border type. Then you can change the box shadow. So this is basically the box that we have in the button, and this will change however you set it up to. And you can also change the background color. So let's say I want to change the background color to purple again. So you can see that it has changed, and you can see that since I didn't change the border box shadow color, I can change it to purple color as well. So this is how my current pop-up looks like. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and enable these options as well. So when I enable the no thanks button, you'll see that there's a no thanks button appearing under the submit now button. And I have added all the options here. Now I'm going to go ahead and save changes. Also, you can change the pop-up style if you want, but I'm going to keep it as it is. So let's go to the store. So this is a store that I've opened in the incognito window. Now let's add a product. So let's say I want to add this cap, and you can see that since I have enabled the cart pop-up here, So that's why this pop-up has appeared. So I'm going to click to no thanks, and I'm going to go to the view cart option. So I'll proceed to checkout. Now this is overall options. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this page. So let's say I am leaving this page, and once I do that, you can see that the pop-up appears. Now you can add your email address here and click on the submit now button. So that's pretty easy, right? So if you want, you can edit your email pop-up exit intent however you want according to your brand style and logo. So that's all for today. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care.